ChuChu TV! Hey there, Mr. Harlow!
Welcome back, my friends! Today is a special day.
Oh, why is that?
It's Mother's Day.
Wow! We all love our mother!
Mothers are very special. A mother is blessed by God to play his role to create and protect.
Aw, that's so sweet! So, what are we going to learn today, Mr. Harlow?
It's a surprise! Look at this!
That's a toy farm! Look! There are so many big eggs and little eggs on the farm!
The eggs are all throughout the toy farm.
Let's open the eggs, Mr. Harlow!
Okay, but first we have to become little to go into the toy farm. Let's shrink!
Yay!
Let's hold hands and say the magic word.
ChuChu! The farm and the eggs are now so big!
Let's take a walk around the farm. We're going to open the eggs by saying the magic word. Let's open the first egg with the magic word.
ChuChu!
Surprise!
It's a cow! Wow! We love cows! It's a baby cow!
Little friends, do you know what the baby cow is called?
What is it called, Mr. Harlow?
The baby cow is called a calf.
Wow!
Look at Mommy Cow clean the calf with its tongue. Let's open the next egg with the magic word.
ChuChu!
Surprise!
Look! It's a cat! Wow! And it's chasing the mice in the barn! It's a baby cat!
So, what is the baby cat called?
What is it called, Mr. Harlow?
The baby cat is called a kitten.
Wow!
Look at Mommy Cat teach the kitten to catch the mice. next egg with the magic word.
ChuChu.
Surprise!
Wow! It's a dog! It's wagging its tail.
It's a baby dog. So, what is the baby dog called?
What is it called, Mr. Harlow?
The baby dog is called a puppy.
Wow!
Look at Mommy Dog teach the puppy to dig a hole. Let's open the next egg with the magic word.
ChuChu.
Surprise!
It's a duck. And it's diving into the water.
It's a baby duck. So, what is the baby duck called?
What's it called, Mr. Harlow?
The baby duck is called a duckling.
Wow!
Look at Mommy Duck teach the ducklings to dive and catch the fish. Let's go to the next egg.
ChuChu.
Surprise!
Ooh, that's a hen.
Look at the mommy hen fly. It's a baby hen. So, what is the baby hen called?
What is it called, Mr. Harlow?
The baby hen is called a chick.
Wow!
Look at Mommy Hen teach the chicks to fly. Let's go to the next egg.
We will say the magic word, Mr. Harlow. ChuChu.
Surprise!
It's a pig! And it's grunting!
It's a baby pig. So, what is the baby pig called?
What is it called, Mr. Harlow?
The baby pig is called a piglet. Look how the mommy pig sings to make the piglets feed. Today, we have learned about the mommy farm animals and their babies. But now it's getting dark, and it's time to go home. So long, my friends!